Good morning student. Open your maths book. Lesson number 10. Measures of length. Measures means नापना. Length means लंबाई. लंबाई को नापना. Non-standard units for measuring length. In the olden days, different parts of the human body were used to measure the length. These are non-standard units of length. In the olden time, there was no standard unit for measuring the length, so parts of the body were used to measure the length. And these different parts of the body, these are called the non-standard unit of length. What are the different body parts? The fingers. Fingers were used to measure the length, hand span, and this cubit and paces. And how the fingers are used? See here, the distance between this and little finger, this distance is used to measure the length. In hand span, in the hand span, the distance between this little finger and the thumb, this distance is used to measure the length, and it is called the one hand span. And this is cubit. In the cubit, this the distance from this middle finger and this elbow, this distance is used to measure the length. And pace, in the pace, the distance between these two foot from this to this distance is used to measure the length, and it is called the one pace. This distance is called the one pace, or pace means one कदम. एक कदम हम जो आगे बढ़ाते हैं, that is called pace. Okay. According to picture, the length of the chalk according to this picture is 4 fingers. The length of the table is 5 hand spans, and the length of the room is 8 cubits. The length of the playground is 50 paces. Now how we will measure the length? By using the fingers. See, here it is a chalk. This, you keep the chalk like this, then it is equal to 4 fingers. Okay, in this way you can measure the length. Now here, this 4 fingers, then you can measure, this is from 4 plus 4, this is 8 fingers. So the length of this is, this bottle is 8 fingers. Okay, and how you will measure the length? By using the hand span like this. This is 1 hand span, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. This is slightly less than 4 hand span. Okay, you also try to measure the different things by using cubit, by using pace and fingers and hand span. Okay, and these are called the non-standard unit, because we are not able to find the exact length of the object. Length of the body parts of the all humans are not equal. Some are having short hand, some are having the long hand. किसी का हाथ छोटा है, किसी का हाथ बड़ा है, किसी का कदम जो है वो पेस जो है छोटा है, किसी का पेस बड़ा है. So the measurement of the length will be different from person to person. That's why they are called the non-standard unit of length. Okay. Now the standard unit of length. We usually measure the length of an object using a meter scale or a meter rod. By using the meter scale or the meter rod, we measure the length of a object. Now this is a meter scale. You are also using it. It is called the meter scale, and meter is a standard unit of length. Meter is a standard unit of length. It means it is fixed for at all places. Wherever you go, you will use this meter and centimeter, kilometer, this unit for the measurement of the length. We use this unit to measure the length of an object and the distance between the two places. If we have to measure the length of an object, a smaller object, then we use the meter and centimeter. If we have to measure the distance between the two places, then we are using the kilometers. Okay. For shorter and smaller object, we use a smaller unit of length called the centimeter. Okay. For smaller object, we use a unit of length called centimeter. Suppose you have to measure the length of the pencil, length of this book, length of this table, you can use centimeter. But if you have to measure the length of slightly longer object, like to measure the length of the room or length of the sari, length of playground, then you can use meter. Okay. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and in short we can write the meter as m and centimeter as cm. So 1 m is equal to 100 centimeter. Now in the example, this how you will measure the length of the pencil, pen and eraser is given. This is your scale which you are using. You put the pencils like this, and by putting the pencil like this you can measure the length. Here the length of the pencil is given 11 by this from this tip. You can keep this tip at 0, here the 0, and you can measure from here. Okay, 11, the length of the pencil is 11 and the length of the pen is 9 and the length of the eraser is 3. Okay.